25,000 miles. It's time to replace the tires. Check it out. Alright, so let's check those tires. Original tires. Pirelli's P0. That's how I got it new. Staggered tires, wider in the back. And those Pirellis in the back, 275s, are in a bit worse shape, and that's understandable. Torque. I have aggressive driving setup. Insane 100% from new car. And didn't help that the winter was pretty severe in North Carolina. Temperatures very low, snow a couple of times. They did surprisingly well in these conditions, but being summer tires, yeah, they were faster. So now I'm just thinking about replacing them either with same tires available at Tesla or with Michelin's available at Tire Rack, and I'll see what I will do. Okay, I just logged myself to Tire Rack website. I created my account, so I'm just gonna click on this shop tires, and I have my both vehicles saved. I'll pick up Tesla, and it's gonna ask you what you want to do, tires, and it's gonna send us to a new page. It's just double checking that's my configuration. Staggered tires, 235s, 275s, yes. And then you can go by original equipment. It's gonna only list Pirelli P0s, those are the T1 summer. Also has Pirelli's all season. Those are T0s, I think a little bit older. 1844 for the set, 1865. But I'm gonna go with different options. So some of them are not so expensive. 1,135. This is Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and it's 1659, but I want the one that is specific for electric cars. That's the one. Pilot Sport 4S is the T0 Acoustic Tech, so I'm gonna pick those up. And then next page is just gonna double check that that's what I want. I came up to 1976 with all the taxes. And then I can pick installation by zip code. And my option here is certified EV qualified discount tire in Durham. They're gonna charge me $126. Separate fee, so $1976.79 for the tires. Total charge plus the $126 that I'm gonna pay discount tire when I show up there at the date that I'm gonna pick. Alright, just came back from discount tire. The tires were replaced and the new Michelin's mounted on existing wheels. Those are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S electric car tires. Same setup, staggered, 235 and 275 in the back. They look great. First ride, of course, they brand new, so it's as smooth as possible. I'm looking forward for a good ride and, well, maybe more than 25,000 miles that they did on Pirelli P0s. I'll let you know.